got the world's attention in a big way, and for younger audiences, the app has been a go-to for all information, including searches. Now, TikTok is starting to integrate Google search results in some markets. Earlier this week, app researcher Radu posted on X a screenshot showing TikTok linking out to Google search for better results when searching a topic. The link out to the Google appears as a card in between videos on TikTok, and when you tap on the card, a pop-up says TikTok does not endorse or take responsibilities for search results from Google. TikTok search is typically just used for finding videos on specific topic, but it's clear the company wants to make it more useful for users. The Verge last month confirmed TikTok was testing integrating widgets from Wikipedia into search results. Speaking to Insider, TikTok confirmed it has been testing integration with Google searches in some market, but there is no word on whether it or not it is done in a monetary deal with Google. The search giant is under scrutiny in many markets for the dominance in search, particularly surrounding deals that keep Google search as a default in many devices like Apple, iPhone and all. So it will be a big blow for Google if it comes out that Google is paying TikTok.